Right now, investigators are trying to figure out what sparked a fire at this construction site in St. Pete. You can see Sky 10 flew over the scene this afternoon. This is on 62nd Avenue North, where crews are building a new YMCA and Riviera Middle School. You can see that the fire burned through part of the roof right there.
This is a very difficult situation. That is one of the reasons why we utilized our aerial ladle trucks. So we didn't go with any of the integrity of the building because it's still being built. So it's obviously not really ready to take any kind of load or definitely fire and water. So we're making sure we're being safe in every aspect.
Reps for the Y told us the insulation caught fire. Crews put it out quickly. No one was hurt. The Y is set to open at the end of the year, and the school is expected to open in 2024. The district told us, despite this fire, those plans are still in place.